Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the 5 best leaf blowers in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these leaf blowers you can check out the description below. So let's get started. Ego Power Plus LB6003 Cordless Leaf Blower. The Ego Power Plus 600 CFM backpack blower. We found it to be light and comfortable to use, and it didn't hinder our mobility as we were working in our yard. Since it is a backpack model, most of its weight is distributed on your back as you use it. This means two things. First, your arms and wrists are spared from bearing the entire load and consequently may not grow fatigued as quickly. Second, you shouldn't be super alarmed by its 12.5-pound weight, a little over 3 pounds more than our best overall. We also liked the convenience of the adjustable chute. The unit has an airflow speed of up to 145 miles per hour and lets you choose between an airflow capacity of 260 CFM and 600 CFM. This range allows for plenty of flexibility in how you use your leaf blower and means you should be able to reach leaves across a significant distance. For example, in our lab, we cleared the patch of grass from the dry leaves in 17 seconds and the damp leaves in just over 15 seconds. This unit really showed off on the patch of concrete, where it cleared the pile of leaves in just 7 seconds and easily moved the various fishing weights without requiring us to be super close to them. After using it for 6 months in a yard filled with 20 trees, there isn't much we dislike about this leaf blower. It helped make fall cleanup feel like less of a chore. We also found that it came in handy for clearing sticks, leaves, and even light snow from our driveway and sidewalk. Worx WG584 Cordless Leaf Blower. The Worx 40 volts turbine cordless leaf blower power share with brushless motor lets you choose from an airflow capacity of 300 to 470 CFM and from an airflow speed of 60, 69, 80, or 95 miles per hour, so you can pick the right power for the job. While testing in our lab, we found that the unit was lightweight and surprisingly quiet for the amount of power it had. It cleared the patch of grass with dry leaves in 12.9 seconds, which was the fastest clock time among all the other models on this list for that specific test. It cleared the patch of grass with damp leaves in 52 seconds and the patch of concrete with dry leaves in a considerably faster 12.7 seconds. This unit is made up of 3 pieces. While we had no issue following the assembly instructions and finished setting the leaf blower up in less than 2 minutes, we struggled a bit when attaching the final piece. Plus, we wish this unit allowed us to have better control over the airflow since we were unable to round up the leaves in the box we drew with chalk on a concrete sidewalk. However, we were pleased with its power, as it easily pushed each fishing line at 10-foot distance. We were also pleased with its long battery life, and we never noticed a decline in power during use. Greenworks Pro Cordless Backpack Leaf Blower. This backpack blower is comfortable to wear, easy to use, and expedites the leaf clearing process. At 87 decibels, this model was quieter than some other backpack leaf blowers we tested. It has a trigger-activated variable speed throttle and a cruise control option that provides constant airflow as needed. We especially loved the multiple power options during lab testing since the trigger offers more precise airflow, but the turbo mode and cruise control have a lot of power behind them. Greenworks estimates that the fully charged 2.5 Ah battery lasts only around 18 minutes if run continuously at its highest speed. We noted it ran far longer during our at-home testing because we were able to blow an entire backyard multiple times before recharging. This blower also has a charger that quickly restores power to the battery in just 45 minutes. Makita XBU03SM1 Cordless Blower Kit. Anyone who wakes up one fall day after heavy rain or heavy wind will love the Makita 18 volts LX Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless Blower Kit. It's a lightweight, easy-on-the-hand solution for clearing an inundated yard, with an airflow capacity of up to 459 CFM and an airflow speed of up to 116 miles per hour. Since it weighs just 6.5 pounds, we found it light and user-friendly enough to adeptly hold and operate with just one hand. We could dedicate our other hand to adjusting the controls. The leaf blower lets you choose from different speed settings, and we liked having the ability to control the power. However, we found it difficult to precisely control the airflow's direction and effects. For example, regardless of the setting we used, we couldn't wrangle the leaves in the chalk-drawn box on concrete. We cleared the patch of grass from dry leaves and damp leaves in 50 seconds and 42 seconds, respectively, while we cleared the patch of concrete from dry leaves in just 18 seconds, faster than many others we tested. But although subtlety was a challenge, power was no problem. We moved all the fishing nets the 10-foot distance in less than 20 seconds. We also liked that we didn't need to bend down or be super close to the objects. Echo 2-stroke cycle handheld leaf blower. The Echo Gas 2-stroke cycle leaf blower manages to be a powerful gas model, with an airflow capacity of up to 453 CFM and an airflow speed of up to 170 miles per hour, without being too loud, too unwieldy, or too high maintenance. We haven't had a chance to test this model, but think that its low 70 decibels noise rating, 8.6 pound weight, and manageable maintenance and cleaning requirements make it stand out. Since this is a gas model, regular maintenance is required to keep it functioning properly, which is something to consider before purchasing it. Also note that a shoulder harness is not included with this leaf blower, though the unit does have shoulder harness points, so you have the option of buying a harness separately and attaching it to the leaf blower.